Alright fam, look like it's gonna be another shit show at McDonald's. Look at this. The lobby is open, but look how many people are inside. It's about like 10 drivers in there. Alright, let's go inside, see what's up, huh? Yo, what's good? It's your boy Doordash Delivery, back at it with another late night ride along, fam. It is 1:40 a.m. and we got a double stack from Uber Eats. It's a lot easier for me to just screenshot it and shoot it with my GoPro instead of editing the screenshot on my video. So this is a double stack from Uber Eats at Jerusalem. 16:36 ETA is about 34 minutes. Double stack from Jerusalem. Alright fam, let's get it. Alright, just dropped off the first of the double stack. Next one is 12 minutes and 4.8 miles away. Alright fam, let's go get this money. Alright, we're at the second drop off, fam. Set it down. Alright, just finished the second of the double stack. Got a couple of clown orders and had to decline them. Alright, let's wait for more orders. Huh?
I'm going to, okay?
Alright, it's 2:20 a.m. and we're heading towards the Denver downtown zone. About a few blocks away. Yeah, with Doordash, they still got zones, and with Uber Eats and Grubhub, you pretty much can dash anywhere in the whole city, you know. Alright fam, we got a double stack from Papa John's, and this Papa John's really slow. Sometimes they're like 30 minutes behind. So what we've got today, 1948, 5 miles. ETA is 33. I don't know, about 33 minutes, but let's go pick up this pretty good double stack, fam. Let's go! Alright fam, so none of the orders are ready. There's like 5 drivers waiting in front of this Papa John's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One time I was here, there was like literally 7 drivers. They only got like 1 or 2 people inside Papa John's at this time on a Friday. It's ridiculous, man. Just like the busiest Papa John's in Denver, and only got like 2 people working inside. So I'll probably wait like 15 minutes. If it's not ready, then just gonna cancel it, you know. Papa John's on Colfax and Downing, fam. So I'll wait a little bit, probably go on TikTok live or something to kill time. Alright fam, so the Papa John's employee told me it's gonna be 30 minutes for both of them, so I have to cancel both of them, you know. So you go here, excessive wait time, I guess. Excessive wait time. Boom. Cancel delivery. Go to the next one. Hell no, I didn't pick from Papa John's, man. Decline, fam. Excessive wait time again. Bye bye Papa John's. And I'm also doing a live on my TikTok. Doordash Delivery 1 on TikTok, fam. Got a McDonald's for $7.20. Yeah, I'll do the McDonald's instead. This one, the lobby is open. Alright fam, let's get it. And
head to your pickup at
don't forget about your boy on TikTok, Doordash Delivery 1. I gotta go, fam. Have a nice day. Check me out on YouTube, Doordash Delivery on YouTube. Peace. Alright fam, let's go pick up McDonald's, huh? This Papa John's is a shit show, man. Unbelievable. Alright fam, look like it's gonna be another shit show at McDonald's. Look at this. The lobby is open, but look how many people are inside. It's about like 10 drivers in there. Alright, let's go inside, see what's up. Alright, I survived the pickup at this crazy McDonald's. There's literally 20 people inside there, man. There's people arguing with each other. I didn't want to bust out the camera, you know. Seems like, you know, everybody's all tense and stuff. There's hungry people waiting for their food and all that stuff. Yeah, this one of the most fun pickup in Denver. The McDonald's on Penn and Colfax. But I was only there for 8 minutes and they got my order, so let's go drop off this McDonald's, fam. All right, 6.5 for 675. That's gonna be decline, man. Take the bus there, bozo. Decline. Just dropped up at the McDonald's at the apartment. I don't know if you guys can see it. $5. Get the heck. Decline. 3 a.m. and you only want to do $5 Doordash? Take the bus there, bozo. Haha, decline. At least $7 for 3 a.m. man. Alright, give me a second to think about this situation. Give me a second. No hidden tip. Alright, we'll take this one. Alright, fam, let's get it. And we might get a double stack from Uber Eats.
Head northwest toward Galapago Street.
We might get a double stack from Uber Eats at the same McDonald's, you know. If it's the same way, I'll take it. Alright, fam, let's go get this McDonald's.
That was a nice one. Okay. I'm out here. Uh-oh.
Alright, fam, we're back at the same McDonald's. Let's go inside. This one, the lobby is open 24/7. Alright, let's go inside, fam. McDonald's on Penn and Colfax. Alright, fam, this one is a smooth pickup. Just run in and run out, you know. It was ready. Alright, let's go get this money, fam. Alright. I'm gonna make a left on Colfax from here to customer's house, about 8 minutes, 4 miles. And there's still like 20 people inside that McDonald's pickup. There's drunk people, there's hungry people, you name it. It's crazy in there, in that little lobby. Alright, fam, this is how you do it late night. They don't pick up the phone. Alright, just dropped it off. It was handed to me, so I called but they didn't pick up. Alright, let's go on to the next one. Late night hustling, fam. Got my Colorado plates finally. Alright. I think we just picked up we got an order for 910 for like 3 miles or something. Famous pizza. Alright, let's go.
Listen carefully as our menu options may have changed.
Restaurant is closed, so I have to pay $5.
If you are a dasher, please press 2. If you are a merchant calling about, please hold while we retrieve your details.
And with Doordash, you need to call them right away. Yeah, if you
are calling about a customer being unavailable, please press 1.
Yeah, you have to call them right away if you want to get your half pay, you know. You wait till the next day, you might not get it. Alright, fam. That was supposed to be a couple of more clips on that GoPro, but for some reason it's not, it wasn't recording. So basically last night was pretty slow, fam. Only made like, I don't know, $50 in 3 hours or something. Yeah, one of the slowest nights for graveyard. So anyway, thank you for watching this Uber Eats Doordash ride along. If you haven't done so, please smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell for more gig economy content, fam. Thank you everybody for watching. Have a nice day. Peace, fam.